Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying power and connection, because most faults are charge or pairing related. First, place both buds into the case for 5-10 minutes. Check the case LED for a solid or pulsing charge indicator. Next, perform the Beats factory reset press and hold the system button about 15 seconds until you see red then white flashes. That clears firmware hiccups. Finally, forget the Powerbeats Pro on your phone's Bluetooth list to avoid old pairing conflicts before you repair. Once done with reset, you need to address physical contacts and debris since dirt blocks charging and sensors. Remove the silicone tips and gently clean the speaker mesh with a soft brush and a cotton swab dampened with 90% plus isopropyl. Let everything dry fully. Then clean the metal charging pins in the case and on each bud. Make sure pins are straight and free of lint or corrosion. These steps restore reliable charging and sensor readings that often cause dropout or non-recognition. Now you'll repair and verify software. Place the reset buds in the open case next to your phone and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. This confirms the radio and firmware handshake works. Then check for firmware updates through your paired device's Bluetooth/Beats settings and install any updates fix deep bugs. Finally, run an audio test and a call test. If the issue persists, contact Beats support with the serial number and a list of steps you completed, so they can escalate warranty or repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.